Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Math 10C, Chapter 4, Section 2, Multiplying Polynomials, Part 3. Now, here we're getting into the nastier ones. This one is booby-trapped. Or, sorry, there's a trick to this. See the 3 in the front? Put that to one side and leave it for the moment. Okay? So do everything inside the brackets first. So treat this as straightforward 2x minus 5 times x plus 3. Okay? So set up the box. 2x minus 5x plus 3. X times 2x is 2x squared. X times minus 5 is minus 5x. 2x times 3, that's 6x. 5 times minus 5, sorry, minus 5 times 3 is minus 15. And note we have common terms here, x's. So this becomes 3 times 2x squared. Now, 6x minus 5x is plus x minus 15. So what I did is I combined these two terms. Now, sorry, I said that out loud, I didn't write it out. This is 2x squared minus 5x plus 6x minus 15, or 2x squared plus x minus 15. I apologize, I really should have written that out. Getting old. Anyway, the important thing here, well, that's one of the things. The other important thing is at the end you multiply by 3. Remember BEDMAS? Brackets first. At the end, you do the division multiplication on the outside. So 3 times 2 is 6x squared. 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times minus 15 is minus 45. Now, should I set up a rectangle for that? I could have, I'm just lazy. So that's my final answer here. And notice I do the multiplying by 3 at the end. Not at the beginning, because then I'm multiplying the first term by 3 and the second term by 3, and I get 3 squared. Now, this is particularly nasty. Well, it's not, it's just long and picky. Now, I like setting up the rectangle. Okay? So it'd be something like this. 6x, 2, 3x squared, x minus 4. Now, if you want to do it this way, 3 times 6 is 18, x squared times x is x cubed. 6x times x is 6x squared minus 24x. 6x squared, 2x minus 8. Now, once again, I did that kind of quickly, but note here, I'll stop for a moment and let you look at it and go, oh, we have x squared here, and we've got x's here. So this thing simplifies to, 18x cubed plus 6 and 6 is 12x squared minus 22x minus 8. See how nice that was? Now, if you don't want to do it that way, I am okay, because, there's more than one way to do this, and I won't get that picky, but I will point out, try to do this the other way. 6x times 3x squared is 18x cubed. 6x times x is plus 6x squared. 6x times minus 4 is minus 24x. Then doing it on the inside. Sorry. You want to multiply it out like this, you can. I'm not going to stop you, it's just a lot of work. 2 times 3x is 6x squared. And note how I'm writing one term under the other. Or sorry, common terms. 2 times x is plus 2x. Notice how I'm writing it in columns. So all of my x squares are in one column. All my x's are in another column. Makes it easier to add. And what haven't I used? Purple. Minus 2 times minus 4 is minus 8. Then I combine all my like terms. 18x cubed plus 12x squared minus 22x Oh, you butcha. I meant that. Minus 8. And notice, once again, I did it kind of quickly, but that's the answer I got here. Same answer I got here. Now, which is easier? I don't know. I did both of them kind of quick, but since you're watching and not copying out, I expect you to be able to follow along. What's easier for you? Surprise me, but as I've said before, please, please, please know how to use this term this way because it will come in handy soon. There's another, yeah, 2 more questions. All right. I like the box. So here we go. Write an expression that represents the shaded area. Here I'm getting confusing, misleading, and what the heck? Well, note the outside area, the big box, is what? 5x times 3x, which is 15x squared. What's the inside box? Ooh, this inside box is, we're subtracting 2x plus 3 times x plus 4. So, x plus 3x plus 4. 2x times x is 2x squared. X times 3 is 3x. 2x plus 4 is 8x. 3 times 4 is 12. And once again, I have common terms. So this is 2x squared, 3 and 8 is 11x plus 12. So this is minus 2x squared plus 11x plus 12, not 2. Now, when I subtract it, what happens? Everything inside the brackets changes. So it's minus 2x squared minus 11x minus 12. Okay? So what's 15x squared minus 2x squared? You have $15, you have somebody 2, 13x squared, and you're down to, yeah, minus 11x minus 12. So this is the area of the shaded region here. Okay? Sneaky, but doable. Last example. What is the area of the shaded region? Exact same question. Now, this one's sneaky, evil, underhanded, and deceitful. Thank you. What's this shape here? It's a circle. Area of a circle. We did this back in chapter 1. I kind of hope you remember the formula. If you don't, you really do have to have your formula sheet handy. This is pi r squared. Now, what's the radius? We're calling it x. So in this instance, it's pi x squared. Please don't. All right. Now, don't introduce r, that'll confuse you. Now, I will point out that there is a second circle here. So we have 2 circles, so it's 2 pi x squared. Now, the question is the shaded region. Well, what's this shape? It's a rectangle. So area of rectangle is length times width. So we have to figure out the length and the width. Now, if you look at this very closely, you realize, oh, this distance here is x, and this distance here is x. So this distance is 2x. So the width is 2x. Next question, what's this distance going to be here? It's going to be another 2x. And this circle is going to be another 2x. So the length is 4x. See, once you start simplifying it, putting in using the formula, it's not bad. So this is 8x squared. So it's going to be 8x squared. So the area, shaded region, so the shaded region equals rectangle minus the circles. Or 8x squared minus 2 pi x squared. Okay. So far, so good. Now that's as far as we can go with that. I admit that's sneaky. But if you've got that, I'm really happy, and you can handle anything I can throw at you. So go ahead and work on the homework, please. Any questions, shoot me an email. Otherwise, good luck.